Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the default Mail app on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile, and then select default apps on the left side. And then where it says choose default apps and then email, select choose a default and then select from one of the mail clients installed on your device, or you can add or look for an additional app in the Microsoft Store. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.